Alright guys, so we're back again, Stevie Barz here, and just showing you what the station looks like when this is how small it is. You know, if you can put it compared to like a welder or something. This is it like taken apart. So all the parts are right here, very small. Yeah, so we'll be right back. So this is what it looks like all laid out, if you can see. These are all the parts. You get 2 bags of screws. That has all the screws. So these would be the bottoms, and I didn't even film those really. A little bit, but quick clip I think. This would be the very top, this piece here. And then this is the base. That one's for your pull-ups and everything. Specific type of pull-up. And then these are the attachments. Oh, and this would be like the muscle up bar right here, this thing here. But yeah, so I'll put it together for you guys, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's put together.